Sanibona bafethu uVanelo. So uHugo Bros useyi-announcile i-23 man squad yakhe ezohamba iyodlala ama-friendly games versus iMozambique neTanzania, yabo. Lama-friendly matches lawa azodlalwa ngoJune kule nyanga esiya kuyona, yabo. Sure abantu abaningi abekho happy ngale squad esiselecthiwe, but-ke nabo abadlali ababizwe uHugo Bros ahead of lama-friendly matches awu-2 azodlalwa. Keep in mind ukuthi abadlali beMamelodi Sundowns abekho kule squad lesi Bafana because they are going to play i-FIFA Club World Cup. So uselecte abadlali abangayidlaleli Sundowns. Qala ugoalkeeper oqala uRenaldo Lena. uRenaldo Lena bafethu ugoalkeeper lo osezenzele udumo waqala ukudlala against iMamelodi Sundowns. Mina ngikhumbula kahle, I think it was the quarterfinals of iNedbank Cup lapho khona wakwazi ukuyibamba iSundowns baze beya kuma extra time lapho khona iSundowns yathola igoli lokuthi badlulele kuma semi-finals. Lo goalkeeper lo for me uyavimba umjida Hugo Bros umbonile wathi akahambe, yabo. Usemselectile-ke ezingxenya yokeeper abazohamba beyorepresenta iBafana Bafana, yabo, which is a good thing. Goalkeeper abaningi abarecognize, but-ke uHugo Bros umbonile umjida wamkhomba wathi wena ngiyakuthatha. Another goalkeeper weSuperSport United uRicardo Goss. Ricardo Goss, yes, akasayithola game time kuSuperSport because ukhona lo mjida ovimbela, I think umbathu if I'm not mistaken, ngangikhumbuza ama-comments ugoalkeeper ovimba, but-ke uRicardo Goss ujwayele vele ukubizwa uHugo Bros, yabo. uHugo Bros uyathanda ukubiza abadlali asejwayelene nabo. Afika uRicardo Goss kusquad seBafana Bafana, so usemjwayele vele umbizile-ke ezingxenye yogoalkeeper. Another goalkeeper uSipho Chain. uSipho Chain-ke bafethu vele ubeze ubizwa, yabo. uSipho Chain uyena goalkeeper lo ojwayele ukuvimba uma engekho uRonon Williams. Njoba nje engekho uRonon Williams, uyena goalkeeper engimbhekile ukuthi azenzele udumo naye njoba engekho uRonon Williams. Njoba engekho mele nje ayisimente iposition yakhe lapha kuBafana Bafana, but-ke asazi-ke awukwazi ukuhlalisa umdlalo njengoRonon Williams ebenchini, yabo. Kunzima impela, asazi ukuthi ucoach uzoyilungisa kanjani lo issue leyo uma ngase uSipho Chain ashayine ngempela kulama 2 international friendlies, yabo. Another player obiziwe kuma defenders uSydney Mobi. uSydney Mobi bafethu simjwayele ukumbona ibizwa. Angazi kwenzakalane ngoSydney Mobi noHugo Bros, but-ke uSydney Mobi uyena mdlali oyisithendwa saHugo Bros, yabo. Samukelo kabini bafethu umdlali lo udlala le eNorway, yabo. Usathanda kuhamba nje udlala le eNorway, lo former TS Galaxy player. Umdlali wedlalela Orlando Pirates ku-36 side Orlando Pirates, yabo. Kuyangijabulisa ukumbona ibizwa umjida uzorepresenta iBafana Bafana nje, yabo. Kuyangijabulisa ngempela. Usamukelo kabini lo bafethu abaningi bayamazi kumjida. Uthi another center back bafethu uMoleyisana. Sesimjwayele kuMoleyisana ukumbona ibizwa uHugo Bros, yabo. Hugo Bros bafethu uyarecognize italent. This is another top defender. I think lo mjida lo soyanayo kwi-AFCON if I'm not mistaken. Indlela defender ngakhona kule season, indlela asebenze ngakhona lapha kuStelis. Indlela defender ngakhona kuStelis kumenze ayisimente ngempela indawo yakhe lapha kulabadlali ababiziwe, yabo. Kuyangijabulisa ngempela ukumbona. I think uzowaqala lama matches lawa. Kuthi omunye umdlali wafethu uSibisi. Nkosinathi Sibisi siyamazi bafethu. Angifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu ngoNkosinathi Sibisi. Umdlali wesijwayele ukumbona ebizwa uHugo Bros, yabo. We are used to seeing uNkosinathi Sibisi, yabo. I don't know kodwa uthi ubani ozoba ucaptain. Ngabe uyena noma kuzoba? Ngangitshela ama-comments kahle uba uzoba ucaptain lesikhathi seBafana Bafana because abekho baningi abadlali abajwayele kuba ucaptain. Kuthi another player kuba uKhulumani Ndabane, yabo. uKhulumani Ndabane bafethu i-center back le idlalela iTS Galaxy, the former Kaizer Chiefs DTC player le bafethu. Isijoyine iTS Galaxy, idlala kahle iTS Galaxy, so ucoach udecide ukumlanda umjida urepresent iBafana Bafana, yabo, which is a good thing. I think uyena lo wengenayo ivisa if I'm not mistaken. Ngangikhumbuza ama-comments, yes, I think uyena umjida lo wengenayo ivisa owahluleka ukuthi uHugo Bros ahambe nayo the last time iBafana Bafana iyodlala, yabo. So umjida ubiziwe right now, uyadlala ngempela umjida, uyayimisela kuleya position. Khulumani Ndamane bafethu is another center back, another defender ebizwe uHugo Bros. Mbekezeli Mbokazi bafethu, I'm really happy to see the boy ebizwa uHugo Bros. His first collab by iBafana Bafana. Yangijabulisa kakhulu bafethu. Umjida uthole idebut yakhe kuOrlando Pirates khona kulonyaka, yabo. Uyithole idebut yakhe kuOrlando Pirates kuona kulonyaka, wathola man of the match versus iMamelodi Sundowns when they played against the Sundowns. Indlela edefender ngakhona, so it was a matter of time to see him playing for iBafana Bafana. I wish to see him representing iBafana Bafana egqwele largest because uma ukhumbula kahle ubedlala ku-under 20 iBafana Bafana umjida, yabo. Nje ubedlala ku-under 20 iBafana Bafana bengingayitshela ukuthi uzoyishesha ayithole kanje i-first team collab yabafana bafana, but ke naku ke uHugo Broos usemrecognizile umjida indlela adlala ngakhona uyadeserve impela ukuyodlala with the main team yabafana bafana. Yabo, ungangitshela ama comments ngokujabula kwakho ngokubizwa kwaMbekezeli Mbukazi. Ingabe bakhona abanye abadlali ebekumele babizwe abadlala ku-under 20 bafana bafana, because nababonile bewina i-AFCON. Ubani abebedeserve ukubizwa la kule first team ekholapi bafana bafana. Another defender bafethu Dion van Rooyen. I'm happy to see Van Rooyen bafethu umdlali lo ongayitholi i-recognition. Yabo Van Rooyen ayithole i-recognition ayideservayo. Umjidi uyakwazi ukudlala, uyakwazi ukuyidlala ya position leya. Njobe ngekho nje umdawu, I think it's time umjida naye ayicement leya position. Akhombise uHugo Broos nami coach ngiyadeserve ukuyidlalela bafana bafana. I deserve to fight with abadlali abokhulisa umdawu. Yabo, so kuyangijabulisa impela ukumbona umjida uVan Rooyen ebiziwe kwisquad sebafana bafana. Another defender bafethu uFawaz Basadini. Fawaz Basadini is the hottest player right now kule position, kule left back position. He's the fastest growing player ofuna amathima amaningi. I think iMamelodi Sundowns iyona team elidayo kumsayinini umjida, so umbizile uHugo Broos sesimjwayele vele ukumbona kwisquad saye bafana bafana. So kuyangijabulisa impela naye ukumbona. Yabo, manje siza kubadlali abadlala eswini bafethu uLuke Lorolo bafethu the former SuperSport United player odlala le phesheya. Yabo, umjidi uyadlala impela, kuyangijabulisa naye ukumbona ebuyile kwisquad sebafana bafana. Ade phela samgcina umjida. Yabo, ade samgcina, but ke umjidi udlala kahle phesheya, ukhombisile kubafana bafana uthi nami ngiyafuna ukubuya. We saw him in the last games ade edlala bafana bafana. I think wayekhona if I'm not mistaken. Yabo, wayekhona impela umjida, so kuyangijabulisa ukumbona futhi ebizwa. Yabo, ebizwa uHugo Broos. uHugo Broos uthi uyathembela impela kuyena umjida. Another midfielder ebiziwe uThalente Mbatha. uThalente Mbatha ke bafethu naye usizakhela igama lapha kwisquad sebafana bafana. Usenawo amagoli awashayile are very important for ibafana bafana. So umjida, it was a matter of time na vele ukuthi abizwe again kwisquad sebafana bafana. Na bedlala kahle koLorlando Pirates lately. Yabo, so Hugo Broos uyathanda impela ukubiza abadlali abayinikelayo mebedlalela ibafana bafana, not nje abadlali yabo abachitha isikhathi, yabo badlala just because babiziwe. No, Thalente Mbatha mayibiziwe mengena kubafana bafana uyayikhombisa impela, uyayinikela ngempela. We saw him when he played against iLesotho if I'm not mistaken, indlela ayedlala ngakhona. Yabo, wayekhomisa impela ukuthi uyafuna impela ukubafana bafana iye phambili. Ngosikhasadlana iLesotho wakhona yena esiswini beno-Obas, indlela babeyikhomanda ngempela isisu, indlela babesiphethe ngakhona isisu. Umjida yadeserve impela nayo ukubizwa. Another player obiziwe uNdamulelo Maphongule bafethu odlalela iPolokwane City. Yabo, he was called up last games of ibafana bafana. Lama games lawa ibafana bafana basethanda ukwadlala ubibiziwe nawo. Yabo, so udlalela iPolokwane City umjida ubiziwe ibafana bafana uNdamulelo Maphongule bafethu. I hope now uzoyithola ithuba ayirepresent kahle ibafana bafana, aqale mhlambe some of the games abawadlala ibafana bafana, but ke ubiziwe umjida. I'm really happy. Yabo, mase kuba umfana omncane bafethu uSelepe umdlali weOrlando Pirates akakadlali even 10 games weOrlando Pirates, but indlela adlala ngakhona userecognizwe uHugo Broos. uHugo Broos uvele wathi azini lo mfana lo ngiyayithanda indlela adlala ngakhona, indlela aphasa ngakhona, into esiyidingayo kwabafana bafana. Awuthi ngimlandi. Yabo, Simphiwe Selepe bafethu called up for ibafana bafana, which is very impressive kwiminyaka yakhe nama games asewadlalile for Orlando Pirates. Yabo, mase siza ngama-forwards bafethu, the first forward esiza ngayo Oswina Police ke bafethu angifuna ukuchaza kakhulu. Yabo, he's been one of the main players abadlalela ibafana bafana. Umjidi uyadlala. Yabo, asazi ke ngecareer yakhe regarding club football uthi uzoyapi kule summer le. Yabo, kule summer transfer window. Another player ubiziwe Patrick Tito Maswangai is another player naye ubiziwe esesijwayele ukumbona ebizwa uHugo Broos. Yabo, ngeke ngazi ke about iform yakhe umjida, but ke ubiziwe naye ubizwa uHugo Broos. Another forward ebiziwe striker lesu Ashley Cupid, the former Cape Town Spurs player, ubiziwe naye umjida. Yabo, striker, to be honest, striker azikho ningi kulama players lawa biziwe. Abazikho ningi ngaleyo ndlela istriker, but ke Ashley Cupido is another striker esibiziwe. Relebohile Mfokeng. Yabo, angifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu Mfokeng, obvious ubezobizwa kule squad sebafana bafana. Umfana omncane bafethu uyadlala impela lo mjida lo. Yabo, Tsepang Moremi has been called up for isquad sebafana bafana. Umjida udlala kahle lapha kumaZulu. Yabo, Orlando Pirates are looking to sign lo mjida lo kule transfer window lezayo. yabo, but-ke kuyangijabulisa ukumbona uMjida ebizwa iBafana Bafana, yabo, engawo sengenza kahle lapha. Yanela Mbuthuma sathanda kusayina i-contract ne-Richards Bay, 5-year contract ne-Richards Bay, sethola i-collab naye kweBafana Bafana, yabo, another striker lesi sizosebenzisa lapha, Mhawu angifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu ngoNkota bafethu, uMjida uyadlala. I'm really happy to see him being called up. Last but not least, uSinoxolo Gwayeba, yabo, ungangitshela wena kuma comments about le squad.